Hello guys, in this video I would like to talk about why most people fail to learning programming. There are several reasons why some people may struggle or fail to learn programming. Here few of them I note it down. Lack of persistence. Learning programming requires persistence and a consistent effort. Many people may give up when faced with the challenges or when progress seems slow. Don't give up, guys. That's my suggestion. Even if you fail like in to learn and face challenges and with progress it seems slow, don't give up. Keep on learning, keep on learning, keep on learning, and definitely it will go to help you. On after some time you can realize it yourself. Yeah, I learned it, and don't I did not give up. If you give up, and definitely it will go to you are not going to run in this field. In this field you are going to fail, okay, especially in programming field. So you don't give up, learn, keep on learning, okay. And complexity, yeah, programming is definitely is complexity, guys. There is no issue about that. So even if it is complexity also, what I'm trying to tell, especially for beginners who are not familiar with the concept like in logic, algorithm and syntax, some people may find the difficult to grasp these concepts, leading to frustration and discouragement. Even if you feel complex, and if you are a beginner, and don't worry about that. My suggestion is, even if it is a complexity, don't worry. Keep it in your mind and just refresh your mind, and go and listen your any songs or something. Refresh your mind and go outside and deep breathing. And 1 hour, 2 hours, you can go outside and walk around, roaming here and there, and come back and start again. Learn from the logic from start and begin, like in all the fundamentals, guys. First, you can learn the fundamentals. Slowly start the logic, algorithms, data structures, and syntax, and gradually you can increase your capability and learn that one. Leading the frustration, even if you are getting frustration, discouragement, don't worry about that one. Keep it aside and learn from scratch, one by one, one by one, one by one, okay. Then it will go to help you guys for the complexity. So next one is the lack of resources. Yeah, definitely, guys. Access to high quality learning resources such as tutorials, courses, mentors is a crucial. Learning programming effectively without advocate resources, individual may struggle to find the guidance they need to progress. Yeah, so particularly for the guidance, my suggestion, guys, and ask your friends, ask your partners, ask your any groups like in social media groups. There are, even if you feel like a lack of resources, you don't find any resources how to learn this one, how where to start from that one, just go to social media, LinkedIn groups. There are a lot of LinkedIn groups, there are Instagram groups, there are Facebook groups, there are Twitter groups. Go there, just you can join those coding groups, and all the time ask the suggestions from the senior developers and mid senior developers, and overall there, just you can ask. And if you have friends, close friends, ask them, hey, I want to this help. And you if he, that guy should be in programming field, and you can ask them all the time. You can make the friends and such a friends and ask them and all the time, and get from them good knowledge, and then it will go to help you. Particularly resources, and what I'm trying to tell about the resources, there are so many resources like in YouTube. And YouTube is the best choice, and as well as the social media, one of them. And yeah, you are going to get in plenty of them, Udemy and other, on Academy, and there are so many things out there for the resources. Don't feel about that one, go for it. And definitely you're going to get the nice resource in outside. And ask your mentors, you are going to get very nice resources. Don't feel about that, this one. That's my best suggestion, guys. Next is the fear of failure. Yeah, programming often involves trial and errors, and mistakes are natural part of the learning process. However, some people may fear failure and feel discouraged by their mistakes, which can hinder their progress. So don't feel like, and even if you're getting in while programming, guys, and definitely every day I'm feeling there, I'm getting a lot of errors, a lot of mistakes I'm doing. And I learned from that day. And the second day, what I have to do, I noted down all the mistakes and errors, and I will go for next day and I will do the debug. There are a lot of debug tools is there, using the debug tools, and I will I will correct the mistakes and errors, and all the time I'm learning from the friends and the colleagues. All the time I'm seeking my feedback and what I did mistake, and that's okay, guys. And don't feel like don't disgrace yourself. Okay, you can learn from the mistakes, and then definitely you're going to succeed. Don't fear to fail you. Okay, programming means definitely you're going to get error and mistakes. That is the common pattern in the programming. Don't fear failure. Okay, all the time. Don't disgrace yourself. Learn from the mistakes and note it down those mistakes and debug those mistakes and correct it, and you are going to get the lost of optimistic and confident on that particular one, and go for it. Okay, that's my best suggestion, guys, for fear of failure. Next one is the limited problem solving skills. The limited programming requires a strong problem skills and the ability to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable tasks. Individuals who struggle with problem solving may find it challenging to learn programming. So my suggestion is, guys, in not required strong problem skills. Okay, just you can keep calm your head, and okay, note it down what are all the complex problems, break it down into smaller. That's my suggestion. And what is your planning, what is your how to defining, what is the solution, what are the methods, what is your goal, what is the creativity and innovation cause, and finally you are going to succeed. That's my best suggestion. Don't worry, okay, don't worry if you don't have strong problem solving skills. Slowly you are going to learn that one. Okay, break it down first. If you are getting a very big problem, break it down into smaller and work on that one. Okay, manageable tasks. Then you are going to overcome all these problem solving skills, and definitely. Okay, and next is the lack of motivation. Yeah, guys, in this particular field we need in motivation from your friends, your colleagues, or your who are all your mentors. Okay, all the time learning programming can be the time consuming and demanding, especially if someone does not have a strong motivation or interest in the subject. Without motivation it can be difficult to stay committed to learning programming. Suppose, for example, and the attitude, guys. Attitude is very important. What are your goals and ideas, and your support also, your mentor support or your partner support, your colleague support, your friend support, and finally succeed and performance and succeed, guys. So that's my suggestion. So first, even if it is time consuming and demanding, definitely it is going to time consuming, but how much time you're spending, how much time you're going to learn, that's very important. Learn. Okay, so you can ask the for motivation. Go and go to YouTube and see some other new developers or senior developers, how they are doing, what they are doing, how they landed, and why I'm not learning. And you can keep it in, always you can say in your mind, and definitely you're going to succeed. And even if it is difficult also, and definitely you're going to learn the program. Okay, don't worry about the motivation. Okay, all the time you can learn and listen the nice motivation videos, and it will go to help you guys. Next is the unsuitable learning approach. Different people have different learning styles, and what works for one person may not work for another. Some individuals may struggle to learn programming because they are using an approach or resources that are not suited to their learning style. Yes, guys, some people are blindly they are going for different approach and resources that's not suited for learning style. So my suggestion is over here, choosing a learning approach wisely, guys. And there are a lot of things is there. You don't know where to start, what to start, go to YouTube and type it, I'm a new programmer over here, what to start. Either you can choose a one trajectory, like in front end developing, back end developing, or AWS cyber security, or AWS developer, or which one you want to choose, like in Azure or .NET or Java or back end Node.js or Express.js. Which one you are going to choose learning approach, that's very important. Okay, one you can take it in one thing, and then you can seek yourself and go to YouTube and type it in where to start. Suppose if you're starting from front end, so JavaScript, HTML, CSS you need to learn first, and then you can go for the another resources in either advanced frameworks like in React, Angular or Vue or Elevate, or which one you want to choose in another framework. And also CSS frameworks in Tailwind CSS, style components, or CSS, which one you want to choose, you can choose and go for it. And that's my suggestion, guys. And choose wisely. If you don't know anything else, if you are a self learners, and just to go to YouTube, or there are plenty of videos are there. Just if you don't know, Google it. If you don't know, go to ChatGPT and type it in what you want to do. Everything they will go to give you step by step. I hope that's all, guys, in this one. And I am going to give the okay, imposter syndrome. Sorry, is one more is there. Many beginners in programming experience imposter syndrome. Yeah, where they feel like and they don't belong or not capable in the programming community. This feeling of inadvocacy and can be a significant barrier to learning and can lead to give up premature. Yeah, many beginners feeling like programming experience imposter syndrome, and they feel like, I'm not capable of doing programming. No, 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 don't feel like. Here my suggestion is, if you feel like that, what I told in earlier, just calm your head, go outside and take a break. And just once you start to learning, and everyone is feeling the same thing, guys, not only you. Go outside, calm your head, and take your mentor and take, and just you can talk to them and get the some energy from them, and definitely they will go to give you the straight away. And learn from others you're getting the good jobs, or and very nice. There's some people are writing in with the two hands, guys, programming. So learn from them, how they're writing, why they're writing, why I'm not writing, why I feel like I'm not capable of doing the programming. All the time you can encourage yourself. Don't discourage yourself, encourage yourself. Okay, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. And definitely you are going to do it, in you can overcoming in the programming side. Don't feel like you are a beginner, I don't know anything else, I'm feeling like imposter syndrome. Don't feel like that. So every day, if you're practicing, and morning you're practicing, and evening you can refer it, and evening you're practicing, and morning you're refer it, and what you have done in that day, and that one, it will go to help you a lot. And definitely you're going to overcome it, these kind of problems, guys. So don't worry about this one. And my conclusion over the here, and addressing the challenges often involves a combination of finding right resources, as I said, resources, YouTube, and a few of the resources are there, guys. And just I already mentioned it in earlier conversation, and just you can refer it. And developing a growth mindset and seeking support for the peers and mentors and friends, and who are all your mentors, like, and you can seek a support from them. And persistently practicing and applying programming concepts, it will go to help you overcome the fail of the learning of the program. Don't worry, guys. And practicing and applying programming concepts, you are going to succeed. That's all, guys, in this video. I hope you learned something video, and we'll catch up in another video. Bye bye, guys.